CVMC, EC, NMMC, Triple E. Unit 5, Vector Integration. Lesson 13. Problem 32. Verify Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to x square minus y square I bar plus 2xyj bar over the box bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. Solution. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over c f bar dot dr bar into over s curl f bar dot n bar ds given f bar is equal to x square minus y square into I bar plus 2xy j bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. In xy plane z is equal to 0. Dr bar dxi bar plus dyj bar. F bar dot dr bar x square minus y square into I bar plus 2xy j bar dot dxi bar plus dyj bar is equal to I bar dot I bar 1. So x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy. So rectangle O00, AJ0, BAB, C0B. Here closed curve is rectangle divided into 4 line integrals along OA, along AB, along BC, along CO. Along OA, y is equal to 0. X varies from 0 to A. So y is equal to 0, dy is equal to 0. A line integral along OA. X varies from 0 to A. F bar and dr bar value x square dx. I1 value. So this is x cube by 3 integral x square 0 to A. Substituting upper limit. So a cube by 3. Along AB, x is equal to A. Y varies from 0 to B. Line integral along AB, x is equal to A, dx is equal to 0. Y varies from 0 to B. So f bar dot dr bar 2ay dy I2. Integrating y square by 2 cancel. Substituting upper limit, we get ab square. Line integral along BC, y is equal to B. Fixed point here. X varies from A to 0. So line integral along BC, y is equal to B, dy is equal to 0. X varies from A to 0. F bar dot dr bar. Substituting in above, we get x square minus b square dx I3. So integrating x, integral x square is x cube by 3. B square into integral dx is x. Substituting upper limit 0 minus lower limit, we get this one. Multiplying by minus, we get this step. Along CO, x is equal to 0. Y varies from B to 0. Line integral along CO, x is equal to 0, dx is equal to 0. Y varies from B to 0. F bar dot dr bar value dx 0, x 0. So we get 0, I4 0. LHS integral over C, F bar dot dr bar is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 is equal to what is I1? A cube by 3 plus I2 value plus AB square, I3 value minus A cube by 3 plus AB square, I4 value 0, A cube cancel, 2AB square. This is LHS. For getting RHS value, first we have to find curl bar. Determine first row I bar, J bar, K bar. Second row dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Third row curl bar is equal to determined first row I bar, J bar, K bar. Second row dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Third row I bar, J bar, K bar coefficients of F bar. X square minus Y square 2xy 0. Expanding I bar, deleting this row and column, 0 minus 0 minus J bar into deleting this row and column, we get 0 minus 0, K bar into deleting this row and column, dou by dou X of 2x minus this one. So partial derivative with respect to X, 2y constant, X derivative 1, so 2y. Here X square derivative 0 with respect to Y, minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2y, 4y, K bar. In the xy plane, z is equal to 0, n bar is equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy, ds is equal to dx dy, curl f bar dot n bar, 4y k bar dot k bar, 4y RHS integral over s, curl f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral 4y dx dy. Take elementary straight parallel to y axis. Here y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. To cover the region, to cover the whole region, x limits are to moving the strip like along x axis 0 to a, 0 to b, 0 to a. In xy plane, z is equal to 0, n bar is equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy. Curl f bar dot n bar is equal to 4y k bar dot k bar is equal to k bar dot k bar is 1, we get 4y. RHS into over s, curl f bar dot n bar ds is equal to integral 0 to b, integral 0 to a, 4y dx dy. So 4 into y square by 2, 0 to b, dxx, 0 to a, we get 2ab square. LHS is equal to RHS. Stokes theorem is verified. Problem 33. Verify Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to x square I bar minus yz kj bar plus k bar integrated around the square. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Solution, do homework. Square. Very easy problem. Do homework. Problem 34. Verify the Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to yi bar plus zj bar plus xk bar and the surface is the part of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 above the xy plane. Do homework. Problem 35. Using Stokes theorem, evaluate integral over c x plus y dx plus 2x minus z dy plus y plus z dz, where c is the boundary of the triangle with vertices 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 6. Solution. We know Stokes theorem. Read statement of Stokes theorem. F bar dot dr bar. Look here. Integral over c f bar dot dr bar. So this is nothing but f bar dot dr bar. So You write this one. F bar dot dr bar x plus y dx plus 2x minus z into dy plus y plus z into dz. Now what is your F bar? Instead of dx, dy, dz, you write I bar, j bar, k bar. X plus y into I bar plus 2x minus z into j bar plus y plus z into k bar. This is the way of writing the F bar. Curl F bar is equal to determined first row I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of F bar. X plus y, 2x minus z, y plus z. I bar into deleting this row column dou by dou y of y plus z minus dou by dou z of 2x minus z minus j bar into deleting this row column dou by dou x of y plus z minus dou by dou z of x plus y plus k bar deleting this row column dou by dou x of 2x minus z minus dou by dou y of x plus y. Partial derivative with respect to y derivative 1. Here minus z derivative minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. With respect to x, y plus z constant derivative 0. With respect to z, x plus y constant derivative 0. Partial derivative with respect to x, 2x derivative 2, z derivative 0, minus here x derivative 0, y derivative 1, 2 minus 1. So we get 2I bar plus k bar. According to given vertices, this is the triangle ABC diagram, plane triangle diagram. Here A 200, B 030, C 006. ABC plane triangle equation, intercept form, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Intercept form. So x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 6 is equal to 1. Taking LCM, we get 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6. Here xy plane is not given. In xy, on xy, terms are not given in the problem. So we have to find general unit normal vector n bar. So you consider this one as phi of xyz and your n bar is del phi by mod del phi, old model. General model to find the unit normal vector to the surface ABC. Consider phi is equal to 3x plus 2y plus z minus 6. Del phi, definition I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. I bar into partial derivative of phi with respect to x, 3x derivative 3, constant derivative 0, constant derivative 0, plus j bar 2y derivative 2 plus k bar into z derivative 1, 3i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar. So unit normal vector n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi. So we get 3i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar by root 14. Curl F bar dot n bar is equal to 2i bar plus k bar dot 3i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar by root 14. I bar dot I bar 1. 2 into 3 6. There is no j bar. K bar dot k bar is 1. So 7 by root 14. Root 14 can be written as root 7 into root 2. Root 7 times root 7 by 2. Root of 3.5. Therefore, integral over C, given problem, nothing but integral over C, F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over S, curl F bar dot n bar ds by Stokes theorem. Integral over S, curl F bar dot n bar is root of 3.5 ds, common root of 3.5. Integral over S ds is, integral ds is S. S is nothing but area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC. A 200, B 030, C 006. Small a is equal to BC. Distance between 2 points, root 45. That nothing but this one. Small b, CA. Distance between 2 points. C, distance between 2 points. Your S is A plus B plus C by 2. Intermediate formula 8.318. triangle ABC, area formula. Substituting, simplifying, we get this one. Therefore I is equal to substituting, simplifying, we get this one.